The warm weather over eastern South Africa has come to an abrupt end as cloudy and wet conditions have developed in the region overnight. On the opposite end of South Africa, temperatures are rising in the absence of cold fronts, and we're expecting a mainly dry week across South Africa over the next couple of days. Now, taking a look at our satellite loop, we see that it's become cloudy over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, much of Mpumalanga and into Limpopo overnight, and along with that, drizzle and fog patches have developed across the region, and the cloudy skies are gradually spreading further inland. Over the western half of South Africa, on the other hand, it's been a clear start to your Sunday. And those conditions continue for the rest of today, while up in the northeast it's going to remain cloudy and cool to cold with further wet weather in the forecast and thunderstorms developing for Gauteng and the surrounding regions. Now on Monday, we're forecasting cloudy skies up in the northeastern parts, further showers affecting some areas, while towards the west it remains clear and dry once again, and northeasterly winds that will push off the western coastline are going to result in bergwind conditions, and along with that, a hot day expected, especially on Monday afternoon. Now, there's up to a 20% chance of showers for Cape St. Francis and Port Elizabeth for today. Otherwise, western South Africa remains dry. But in the east, there's between a 40 and a 60% chance of rain, particularly along the escarpment areas where it's going to remain overcast for the rest of today. Thunder showers will be isolated to scattered onto the Highveld as well as the western bushveld of Limpopo, and there may even be some thunder showers for Bethlehem and Rustenburg. Now, moderate winds are expected onto the Highveld this afternoon, averaging at 25 kilometers per hour. Similar wind speeds for Durban and Richards Bay, and Cape Town can expect fresh southerly to southeasterly winds to develop later this afternoon. And here we can see that it remains cold over the eastern interior due to the cloud cover in that region as well as the rainfall. Milder temperatures into Gauteng. Mahikeng is going to be warm at 26 degrees, while it's going to be fairly cool across the southern parts of the country. Tomorrow morning will start off cold once again over the central, western and southern interior, lower single digits for many areas, but along the western coastline it's already going to start off quite warm with the bergwinds picking up first thing in the morning. 11 degrees for Cape Town and PE along the southern coastline. Now a closer look at Johannesburg for today. 22 degrees will be your maximum temperature, cloudy to partly cloudy with scattered thunder showers developing, and those thunderstorms continue into this evening when cloudy skies will develop overnight, northeasterly winds getting up to 25 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow afternoon will bring cloudy weather and a chance of rain continuing for Polokwane and Mbombela, mainly clear and dry over the western half of South Africa. And on Tuesday, we're forecasting increasing temperatures over the western interior. Cape Town gets up to 28 degrees and Port Elizabeth rises to 29.
News that moves. eNCA.com.